on, please.
In New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, western New Haven County in southern
Hold on, please.
Westchester County in southeast New York, Putnam County in southeast New York, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Yorktown Heights, or near Mahopac, and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Carmel, Brewster, Lake Carmel, Danbury, Bethel, Sherman, Newtown, and South Berry. This storm has a history of producing widespread wind damage across portions of the Hudson Valley. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield and New Haven, and the following counties in New York, Putnam, and Westchester. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Orange County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has tracked south and east of the area. The warning has therefore been canceled. Here is the forecast.